What's up, guys? So today we are going to try a picanha beef top sirloin. We've never done this before, but we've seen a lot of people do it, so we're going to try it out. If you've got a good butcher like we do, they'll cut it off for you. So this was actually pretty freshly cut off. And so basically what we're going to do here is just kind of score the fat cap. Now we've got it all nice and scored here. And go through and hit it with some chipotle seasoning. And if you want, you can put olive oil on there. I'm just kind of pressing the seasoning in. Flip it over. And this is a pretty big cut of meat, so I'm being pretty generous with the seasoning here. Alright, so we'll let that meat kind of soak up that seasoning for a couple minutes and get the grill ready. Say she's good.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed that last video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe.
Also, follow us on Instagram, broke_boys_barbecue. And if you want to check out our last video, click right here.